Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to remove clone app on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, it is important to note that removing a clone app will not affect the original app or its data. Users can safely remove clone app without losing any data associated with the original app or their primary account. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, you can open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. After that, select Advanced Features option. Okay, so now you can select Double Messenger. After that, here will appear the clone application on your device. So the way to remove the duplicate apps, you can simply tap this button. And here you can click on Install. Okay, so now the clone app is successfully removed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to remove clone apps on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.